guys, the comment of the week. Laura, I 100% agree with you. Thank you. So today's video, guys, we are going to be using this Biutee Polygel Kit. I got this off of Amazon. And so first things first, when you get the kit, it comes with a spongy nail file, more like a nail buffer. Then you get a traditional nail file, and I love these ones because the angled shape just makes it so easy to get around the cuticles. Then it comes with a small pack of traditional nail forms in case you want to sculpt your nails. And then another polygel brush, which you guys, at this point, I think I have 1,000 of these. Like, I have so many, but you guys know they come with the spatula and the brush on one side. Then also some slip solution, which was really nice. And then 2 big base coats and top coats. These are a lot bigger than traditional ones. And then we got some dual forms, and these are the curved ones. They're not my favorite, but they're always nice to have. Then it comes with their little tips and tricks kit, as well as a little tutorial on how to use the dual forms. And then we got our 6 polygels, or 7 polygels, I don't know. You guys, it's so early. I think we have 7 polygels. So that first one is a white that kind of changes to a blue shade. The next shade is green. Then there is a shade called Rose Red, and you guys, it is just a true hot pink. It's not red at all. Then there is an orange shade, which was really pretty. I love these neons. And then this blue was a little hard to get out. I don't know if it's because it was cold, but it took a little bit of elbow grease. Next is the pink that looks like when it's glowing, it turns to a purple color. And that was a very light pink. And then last but not least, we have a purple color. And you guys, these look so pretty. I was so excited to use these. Okay, so after they're cured, they don't have any immediate glow, which I thought was weird. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get into these glitters. If you guys watched my glitter mixing video, I showed you guys them and told you I would use them in an upcoming video, and this is the upcoming video. I love these. I'm definitely gonna link them down below for you guys because these are so gorgeous and so cheap. Like, I think these were under like $7 for these 3 big boxes. I cannot wait to use those like more like metallic-y gold ones, but today I decided to go for the oranges and pinks. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing a version of that TikTok nail hack. So what you do when you do the TikTok nail hack is you put some cuticle oil on your nails, and then you go in with 2 layers of top coat. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I should have used 3 layers of top coat because these nails were stuck. It was my mistake. I only used 2, but using 3 will get those nails to pop right off. Okay, so I'm taking my nail drill, and guys, yes, I finally got a new nail drill. I got a MelodySusie one, so hopefully I have better luck with this one. And I'm just gonna go ahead and etch the inside of these E-Nail Couture. These are the XXL Coffin nails. I've been loving the tapered square look lately, and I kind of forgot about the Coffin nails, so that's what we're doing today. And honestly, for that process, you can use any drill bit. I recommend for the smaller nails to use a smaller drill bit because you don't alter the shape of the nails. I think I was using too coarse of a drill bit for the other ones. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lightly buff the shiny layer of that top coat off my nails. That way I have no issues with these nails sticking on. I'm going to go ahead and take some base coat gel, and I'm just going to be doing the après style method with base coat. Lately I've been getting a lot of questions about how long these last me and if they're durable, so I will be doing a detailed video on that very, very soon for everyone who has questions. Okay, so after those are on, these are the 3 polygels that I'm going to be taking. I'm going to use the Rose Red, the orange, and the pink. And I'm going to go ahead and start off by taking some base coat, and I'm going to just paint the entire nail of my thumb. And some people don't paint their nails with base coat. I do. I don't want to risk my polygel sliding off my nails. I'm not saying it will, but I just don't like risking it. Okay, so I'm starting off with pink, and guys, if you're a beginner, definitely do the 2 bead method. I feel like I should have did the 2 bead method. I did not. I just decided to just slide it all on, and honestly this is a little bit more of a difficult way to do it, just because when you do like the whole nail at one time, it does get kind of patchy and you can't quite get a smooth result. Or you can, but you have to kind of work with it more and use more slip solutions. So I highly recommend doing the 2 bead method. That is what I should have did, and I always forget about it every time I do polygel nails like this. So just take my advice. If you don't know how to do the 2 bead method, definitely look it up. A lot of people who do polygel, you know, always explain it, but you know, I'm telling you guys, this video, I did not know what I wanted to do. Like, I've been trying to feel more creative when it comes down to nails and just doing things that are like out of my comfort zone, and yeah, I just didn't know what I wanted to do, and I hope it doesn't show too bad. Yeah. Okay guys, as you will see, after I cured that for 60 seconds, I'm just going to go through and add on another layer of the polygel, and this second layer is going to give me like more of a, you know, an apex. It's going to help strengthen the nail, make it thicker, and it's also going to help clean up those places where my nail or the polygel was a little patchy. Okay, so for these 2 nails, I'm going to be using my base coat, and I'm going to go in and grab some of these glitters. I was pretty much just alternating between the 2 glitters, and yeah, I really like those. At first I started off by like meticulously placing them, and then I realized that it still looks good if you just stack the glitters, so that's what I decided to do. Yeah, I really like these circle glitters. I've always wanted them and never knew where to find them, and you guys, Amazon just does it for us. We are so lucky to have Amazon. Every now and then, you know, they have their moments where like your package is delayed or something, but other than that, like the fact that we can find these for an affordable price, like how did we ever do it before? Like, I need to know. Like, if you live in a city like where you don't have a large like beauty supply or nail supply store, how are we getting these products, you know? Because if they don't have glitters like this at Michael's, like I don't ever see glitters like this at any craft stores, so how are we doing this before? Yeah, honestly, in my city we don't really have anything close to this. We have like 2 regular beauty supply stores, and we have like Sally's, but like you guys already know, Sally's doesn't have anything. And the thing about Sally's is that like it's so expensive. Like I went in there like 2 weeks ago to get a nail strengthener for my nails, and I was just looking like, oh, if I see anything, you know, I'm just gonna get it because I'm in here and because I'm never in here. And you guys, they had after seeing the prices on Amazon, then seeing the stuff at Sally's is only for hair care at my point. And like in my case, I don't think I would ever buy nail stuff from Sally's. It's too expensive. Alright, so once those glitters were on, I did go back over them with a top coat, and then I'm just going to take a small amount of my polygel and I'm just going to kind of blend and fade that up into the glitter. I'm being very meticulous because I want the glitter part to be clear. I don't want it to be like murky with the polygel, so I'm using a good amount of slip solution, and honestly this was like one of the nicer slip solutions. I feel like since the pandemic, I feel like the slip solutions have been more on the like oil based side. They're not like alcohol or like acetone. They've been very like slippery, like very slip solutions. So I like this one because I feel like it was easy to blend. So I went ahead and did that on both those fingers, and now I'm going for more of a ombre nail, but I'm doing a 2-color ombre. So I'm taking the orange and I'm kind of just starting at the tip and I'm blending my nails down. Then I'm taking my polygel and I am going to cure that first one, and then I'm going to apply the pink right on top of that and bringing it down the nail and making sure that I'm kind of blending the two into each other. Or at least blending the pink into the orange, because obviously the orange is already cured. Okay, once that's done, I went ahead and put on that pink shade, and I don't know why the first bead that I put on, I was out of focus, so I just went ahead and put a little bead on, blended it, and cured it. Then this is my second bead I'm doing, and I just went ahead and put this one right by the cuticle, and I'm using this one to help me blend out and fade everything together. And guys, usually because my skin is because I have darker skin, I usually don't use a skin tone color or like an ombre color this light, but it actually worked out really well. I was trying not to use too many products that weren't in the kit because, you know, I know that's annoying, especially if you're trying to buy one kit and people are using so many different products. I get it. Okay, so once that's done, I went ahead and cured that in the lamp, and then next, you guys, this nail, she had potential, okay? So I got these little female slices in a box on Amazon. I will be doing a nail haul my next video. I'm actually hoping to get that video up like either today, which is Sunday, or getting it up on Monday. I'm not sure. I do work at my second job today, so I'm not gonna try to be too crazy, but yeah, I do have a huge nail haul coming up. So guys, definitely either you'll see it tonight or you'll see it tomorrow, but it's definitely going up because y'all, I've been slacking on posting. But anyway, that's beside the point. So what I did was I took my base coat and I'm just putting on these female slices of hearts. And when I saw this hearts, I thought they went really well together with the orange and the pink. The only thing that I would have changed is I used an acrygel to encapsulate these, and well, you guys will see. Okay, well, I guess I didn't show you that part, but I used the Model 1's acrygel, and for some reason it just had so many air bubbles in it, so you guys will see on that clear nail that it looks crazy. But anyway, I'm taking this Emily builder gel in a bottle. Why is that so hard to say? Builder gel in a bottle, and I'm just gonna go ahead and encapsulate this nail design. The kit did not come with a clear, so my preferred method to encapsulate is with builder gel. So this was my first time using this product, and I liked it a lot. Like, I really liked it. I've never used a builder gel in a bottle, and this was really, really nice. I do go ahead and make sure that everything kind of, you know, settles, and it evened out really nicely on the nails. I'm just building up a little bit more of that coverage so it's nice and seamless. But I love this so much. I am going to go ahead and flash cure it for about 30 seconds. Okay, so once that nail is done, I'm just gonna go ahead and encapsulate my other nails. And if you guys can see that heart nail closely, it looked okay, but like it definitely had air bubbles in it. Let me know if you guys are the same as me, that like when you're doing these random designs, there is always one nail that does not want to get it together. And for this set, it was this nail. This nail did not want to be a part of the family. I didn't love it. Let me know what is your favorite clear polygel. I think everyone's gonna say Manicure, but I just want to know because this was not, it wasn't it. So these are the nails after they've been encapsulated. They are looking thick. And this is them after filing. I feel like after filing they came together. I'm taking this rhinestone glue gel, and I'm pretty much just gonna put that all over the nail. And I have these pretty rhinestone crystals. I got these from the Attitude shop, and these are also gonna be in my nail haul, so you guys will see the whole haul and everything very soon. And I didn't know what kind of gems I wanted to do. Obviously, go figure, that's me in every video. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take an orange and a pink and just do something really simple. I wasn't feeling the caviar beads or the, you know, the gold this time. I was pretty much like over this set. I don't know, I liked them, they just did not turn out as cute as I wanted them to be. But you guys, I've been filming a lot of videos and just I've been hating it. I don't know what it is. I've just not been in the mood to post a lot of the videos I film. I'm feeling slightly discouraged because I know I can do better, but you know, that is how the nails end up looking. I'm just gonna go ahead and top coat them. But yeah, I was saying I film a lot more videos than I post. I just, by the time it gets to editing, I'm like over the nail design. I don't like it. I'm too worried about posting it. And I know, you guys, I'm very transparent. I do not do all fire nail looks, but I need to start posting more of my fails because I don't want you guys to think that I'm not filming videos, because I promise you I am. But yeah, I know where I see my channel. I'm just gonna go ahead and like do a little bit of a refresh, get us some new content, a new setup, and we are gonna be back and rolling, you guys. Okay, and this is the finished nail look. I like the colors together. I don't think they turned out horrible. Yeah, they were pretty cute. I don't like that one nail, you guys know that, but other than that, I like the orange and the pink. I thought it was kind of different, kind of fresh, so yes. And guys, I forgot to show you, this is how much they glowed. They really didn't glow that much, but thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video.